here. Ooh. Got something. Oh yeah, guys. Got a good pike. Good pike. Huge pike. Not that big. I knew there was something back here. Oh yeah. Let's get him. He's about a 2-footer. And he's in the net, boys. I knew there was something back here. I saw that. Here, let me, so I don't break my rod tip. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. There we go. Let out some line on this bad boy. And we got one on camera. Let's do it. We freaking did it. Oh, he's gonna shake. It's okay. That's why I got pliers to get trailer trebles on my net. All right, boys. That is a river pike. Got him on the fish grips. He's about 2 foot long. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but that is a very nice fish. Caught him on a chartreuse square bill. And yeah, it's freaking beautiful. I'm gonna get a picture of him. There he is. He's gonna swim away. And there he goes. Swimming away. Healthy. Should be a big ass something right here. I got something. He's on there. There he is, boys. It's a pike. I knew there'd be something right here. He's not too big. I got it on 8% battery. Let's get him in the net before he flops off. He's not on. Let's get him. Not too big. He's probably like 14 to 16 inches. He's long. He's a pike, so he's like 16, but it's a good catch. Good old catch. I know I'm still recording. Yeah, let's move the camera down a little bit. Cool beans. Second fish of the day. I had a feeling that was gonna happen because I'm in a good, that's a really good spot for a fish to be chilling. Yep. Got him out. Just need to get a good grip of you, man. There we go. I'm so scared of these little guys for no reason. It's a nice pike. I think I'm still recording. Yeah, I am. I got 8% battery. Oh, he just got off the fish hooks. Oh, there he goes. But yeah. Second fish of the day, guys. I know you guys saw that fight, so that's pretty cool. It's motivation right there. Something. Oh, I just got smacked. That's some back. This got a result in a piglet. Oh, got one. Yeah, this is a big one. I told you guys. He's not huge, but he's not small. He's running right at me. Oh, it's a bass. Big bass. Get him in. Oh, no, he's got off. Oh my God, he got off because I tried to grab by the line. No, that was a big bass, guys. Like, no cap, like a 2-pound largemouth. Real nice and calm right here. There's got to be some fish chilling on the sides, just right in the slack water. Oh, I just had a fish on. Like I might have hit something, I'm not gonna lie, because there's like a black, like rock formation looking thing. But at the same time though, like, kind of felt like a fish. Yep, got one on. I knew it was a fish. It's a little freaking bass. Huh. I knew I felt something hit it, and I was like, that was definitely a fish. It's a little largemouth. We got hooked pretty bad. Jeez, how the f did you get hooked that good? I knew I felt something hit it over there. I was like, huh? Let's switch hands real quick. Passing a lot of good spots, but I mean, these niggas looking at my chain so much. I knew I felt something hit it. I was like, that was a fish. Felt so fishy. Oh, he's good. Pretty cool. I knew there was bass. I told you guys there was bass in here, but there was way bigger bass than that in here. So, see what happens. But let's get a quick release of him. Oh, he gave us a little jump. Awesome. That was so awesome. He said, "Ay!" Oh my God! A pike just tried to eat it right off the top of the water. You guys saw that? That was like a 30-incher, dude. All that needed to happen right there was this thing just didn't have to tangle. I just cast right on top of it like a foot. You guys saw that, right? That was like a freaking 30-inch pike. Like, I saw his body come out the water. He was definitely over 30 inches, or at least, oops, at least 30. Got one, guys. He's real small. It's a bass. It's a little bass. I think it's a smallie. It's a smallmouth. Let's get him because I like smallmouths. Let's go. I told you guys there was smallmouth and largemouth in here. Now I got both. I missed the largemouth, but I like the smallmouth though. And that was an easy catch right there. And I'm about to hit sticks. Let's do it. And I think I'm still recording too. Let's go, guys. So yeah, in case my battery dies while I'm talking about him, nice smallmouth on that chartreuse. Let's actually grab him. I don't want him to. But hey, I told you guys there were smallies in here. I tore the side of his lip up a little bit, but he'll be fine. He'll be able to eat and all that jazz. He can still close his mouth on fish and all that. So yeah, beautiful fish. Let's put him back. Oh, I can put you back right now, buddy. Alright guys, this is probably my last fish. I missed like a 30-incher like 5 minutes ago and he pulled me under a log. I had to break my hook because he literally inhaled the bait. So that's kind of annoying. But yeah, he's about an 18-inch pike and yeah, we're gonna get a good release out of him.